So you are turning inside for a metal job. The wire. So this is fascinator wire. So I secure this. So just about 47 inches long. Let's check the wideness now. That is 50 inches wide. So this is the net we're going to use. So guys, we're using this net to do it. I don't like it. I would prefer doing mine, sew it round with it. So before I sew it round, I'm going to secure all the edges with glue. I'm going to put glue to glue it. So guys, we need to trim this off now. We need to trim this off. So thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, and those that subscribe, thank you for still coming back to my channel. Guys, please, we want to give this video a